Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVA's Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a chemistry class for class 10 student on the based on fourth part of the chapter 8. The name of the chapter is Chemistry and Energy. Along with the fourth part, we will also discuss the creative question number 1 of the exercise. So let us move forward to today's topic. Dear student, now we will going for the application of electrochemical cell. Coating of metal on another metal has been there in practice from the ancient age. We have learned about the electroplating that also comes from the ancient place. Not only that, the making of bronze also comes from ancient age. Now that has increased hugely. Electrolysis is used for extraction of metal, production of valuable chemicals, electricity generation, purification of substances, etc. Hydrogen fuel cell is used for electricity generation. Hydrogen molecule is oxidized in its anode, and oxygen molecules is reduced in cathode to produce water. As a result, in the cell, electron is conducted from anode to cathode. This electricity can be used to run cars even. All mobile phones, computer, calculator, etc. all over the world use batteries. Use electrolysis mechanism. The figure above is demonstrate that the part of the left hand has small thin anode and the cathode in it, and there is a small channel between them. Look, this is the machine of to test blood sugar, and this also a electrochemical cell. Here blood is inserted in the channel that forms a complete cell. Indeed, the source in the machine would supply electricity to oxidize glucose of blood at anode. That means when we give the blood to the machine, that blood is react as anode, and on the other hand, the calculating system of the machine determine the number of glucose cell in the blood and shows it on the screen, converting into the digit. Interesting is all this process take less than a minute. Now come to effects of battery on health and environment. We use battery for various purposes. In torchlight we use dry cell, bus, truck use lead storage battery, and these batteries use various metals and metallic ions. These are extremely harmful for our body. Dry cell contains zinc, manganese dioxide. We already learned this. Lead storage battery contains lead and lead oxide, etc. According to chemical properties, these are toxic and carcinogenic, and we trash them anywhere we feel like after use, and that gives this extreme hazard to mixed with soil and water to contaminate them. Now come to nuclear reaction and generation of electricity. We already learned about nuclear reaction. We already heard about nuclear reaction, and in our country there is a nuclear reactor project for generating electricity that is known to us. The reaction where the nuclear of an element undergoes transform is called nuclear reaction. This is the definition of nuclear reaction. The electron exchange in any chemical reaction occurs from outermost energy layers of an atom or ions. These levels the nucleus interact. Now, but in the case with nuclear reaction, electron does not have any role. The nuclear undergoes change and the nucleus of two elements atom is found. That reaction that result in the amalgamation of smaller nucleus into a larger nucleus of an atom. Larger nucleus breaks into smaller nucleus is nuclear reaction. Not only this, smaller nucleus also adding together, that also a nuclear reaction, and that is the fission and fusion. Fission and fusion, these are two types of nuclear reaction. Now come to nuclear fission reaction.